Every kitchen has it, that small, knotted root with a sharp, warm bite ginger. For centuries, it's been more than a spice. It's been a healer, a protector, and an energy booster wrapped in golden skin. But how powerful is it, really? Today, we'll uncover 10 science-backed benefits of ginger that'll make you see this humble root in a completely new light. Number 1, it calms inflammation naturally. Ginger's most famous compound, gingerol, works like nature's own anti-inflammatory medicine. It helps reduce pain in muscles and joints, especially after workouts or arthritis, flare-ups, and studies show it can even ease chronic inflammation without the side effects of synthetic drugs. Number 2, it boosts digestion. If you've ever felt bloated or nauseous after a heavy meal, ginger is your fix. It stimulates digestive enzymes, speeds up stomach emptying, and improves nutrient absorption. That's why it's been used for centuries after feasts to reset your gut. Number 3, it strengthens immunity. A warm ginger tea a day doesn't just comfort you, it primes your immune system. Its antioxidants fight free radicals, helping your body defend against infections and seasonal flu. Grandmothers were right all along. It really does keep the doctor away. Number 4, it helps manage blood sugar. Ginger improves how your body uses insulin. In multiple studies, daily ginger supplements helped people with type 2 diabetes, regulate fasting, blood sugar, and lower bad cholesterol. It's one of the simplest natural ways to support stable energy throughout the day. Number 5, it aids in weight management. Ginger boosts metabolism and thermogenesis, the process of burning fat for heat. It helps reduce hunger and supports better calorie control. Think of it as a gentle metabolic nudge, not a miracle pill. Number 6, it relieves nausea. From motion sickness to morning sickness, ginger has been clinically proven to ease nausea. It works by calming the stomach and blocking signals that trigger the vomiting reflex. Even astronauts have used it to fight motion sickness in space. Number 7, it eases menstrual pain. Several studies show ginger can be as effective as ibuprofen for menstrual cramps without harming your stomach. A cup of warm ginger tea can relax uterine muscles and reduce prostaglandins, the compounds that cause pain. Number 8, it improves brain function. Ginger's antioxidants and bioactive compounds fight oxidative stress in the brain. Regular use may enhance memory, focus, and even slow cognitive decline as you age. It's nature's quiet way of protecting your neuron. Number 9, it supports heart health. By improving blood circulation and reducing LDL cholesterol, ginger helps protect your arteries. It also prevents platelets from clumping, lowering the risk of stroke and heart disease. Add a little to your tea, and your heart will thank you. Number 10, it fights infections. Fresh ginger has strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. It can fight respiratory infections, sore throat, and oral bacteria. That's why ginger shots and teas are a favorite during winter, keeping your defenses strong. The best part? You don't need supplements or pills. Just add a few slices to warm water, blend it into your meals, or sip it with lemon and honey. Ginger doesn't just spice your food, it heals your body. So next time you see it sitting in your kitchen, remember, it's not just a root, it's nature's medicine cabinet. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with someone who loves natural remedies, and subscribe for more science-based wellness tips every week.